So this problem asks us to use Turtle module to write a program that will draw a face of a clock that's something look like this. So firstly, we will import Turtle. To let the Python allow us to use Turtle module, and then we will create a playground for the turtle, which is n equals turtle screen. And next we will create a turtle, and we will assign to test equals and then we will change the background to light green. So G color light green, and then we will change the turtle's color, which is blue. Test color blue. Also, we can change the shape of it. We will change to the shape of turtle. Turtle. Quotation marks here. And then we can also change the size of the turtle. We will change to 3. And then we will use a for loop to draw the face of a clock. So firstly, for I in range 12, because you can see from the picture there were 12 turtles overall. So we will let the turtle draw 12 times. Firstly, we will let the turtle pin up, because here the turtle doesn't have to draw anything, so we will let it pin up first, and we will let it forward for 130, which is the distance between here and here. And then we will let the turtle pin down to draw the little one here, which is test forward 20. And then there's another gap between this one and this one here, so we will let the turtle pin up again. And then we will let it go forward for 30 again. And then we will let it stamp. We will let the turtle stamp its footprint on the canvas, and this will remain after the turtle has moved somewhere else. And then we will let the turtle back to the center, which is the distance between the center and here, which is 130 plus 20 and 30, which is 180. Okay, as there is 12 times we need to let it draw, so 360 divided by 12 is 30. So the angle the turtle will turn is about 30 degrees, so we will let it turn left each time for 30 degrees. And then we're all set, and we can save it. My desktop, and I will call it just clock. And then we can run the program. And that's it.